Hi friends, today we're going to learn the ASL alphabet. We'll see each letter and its sign. Are you ready? Let's go. A. This is the letter A. To sign A, make a fist and keep your thumb on the side. Try it with me. A. Now, here's the letter B. Hold your hand up straight with your fingers together and your thumb across your palm. Can you make a B? Great job. Curve your hand like a big letter C. Let's do it together. C, D. Point one finger up and make a circle with the rest of your fingers. That's D. This is E. Curl your fingers down to touch your thumb. Can you try it? Next, we have F. Make a circle with your thumb and index finger and keep the other fingers up. That's F. Let's sign G. Hold your pointer finger and thumb sideways, like you're holding something small. G. Here's the letter H. Keep two fingers straight and hold them sideways. H. Now, let's sign I. Hold up your pinky finger. That's I. That's correct. You're doing such a great job. J. For J, use your pinky finger to draw the letter J in the air. Try it with me. J. This is K. Hold up two fingers like a peace sign and place your thumb between them. That's K. That's correct. You're doing such a great job. L. Here comes L. Make an L shape with your thumb and pointer finger. Easy, right? Now let's do M. Tuck your thumb under three fingers. That's M. For N, tuck your thumb under two fingers instead of three. That's N. That's correct. You're doing such a great job. This is O. Make a round shape with all your fingers. That's O. P. Now for P. It's like the letter K, but tilt your hand down. P. That's correct. You're doing such a great job. Q. Q is like G, but tilted downward. Try it. Q. For R, cross your pointer and middle finger like this. R. S. Now, S. Make a fist with your thumb in front of your fingers. That's S. T. This is T. Tuck your thumb under your pointer finger. T. Now, let's sign U. Hold up two fingers together. U. That's correct. You're doing such a great job. Here's V. It looks like a peace sign. V. W. This is W. Hold up three fingers. W. Now, X. Curl your pointer finger like a little hook. That's X. Here's Y. Hold up your pinky and thumb and wiggle it. Y. That's correct. You're doing such a great job. Last one. Use your pointer finger to draw a Z in the air. That's Z. Wow, you did amazing! You learned the ASL alphabet. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a signing pro. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time.
Be sure to subscribe to our page. Until next time, friends!